Here is the gap that we are trying to fix. One on each side of the garage door. Basically there's just this high point kind of in the middle, and this rather large area is where all of our little critters can get in. Okay, that went really fast for the initial screwing every 12 inches or so. Right now we're just doing the cut on the end because the 16-footer is a little bit long for our door, which is perfect. And we'll probably cut once again. Okay, the moment of truth. We are looking for light under the door. And currently not seeing any except right in the corner here. So, gotta figure out something to do with that. But otherwise, that very large gap on one end and the smaller gap on the other end looks to be totally covered. So just realized that we didn't do a final as installed finale. Pretty happy with it, looks good. I figure it was probably about a half-hour job all told with 2 people, and it went easily.